Now, of course, this is a book that was printed just in the recent past. I would like to know what evidence is there that the very first Quran was supposed to have 114 surahs also. What is the evidence?
Show us the opposite.
Okay.
In another Quran there is 113.
Sure. So the intelligent gentleman here, what's your name, sir?
Sheikh.
Abdul Rahman has so far intelligently responded, and he has a funny nod also. I don't know why he does that, but that's fine. Abdul Rahman, what does he say? Very intelligently, he says, show us a Quran which does not have 114 surahs. Now that's a reasonable point to make, and I will show him.
That's fair.
I will show him the Qurans that do not have 114 surahs. So, and to do that, thankfully, I don't even depend on a Christian source. I depend on the Mickey Mouse Massaires. You know, now, people might be familiar with Dawa Mafia gang ringleader Massair. I am going to depend on his own source. So, my dear friend Abdul Rahman, please look at this. This is Islamic awareness. No, this is Islamic awareness website. The gentleman asked.
One
second. Oh yeah. So Abdul Rahman wanted the evidence for the Qurans with not 114 surahs. I can give him a number of evidence points. Which one would you like? You can choose, my dear friend. Would you like to look at manuscript OR 2165, which is one of the earliest Quranic manuscripts, has nothing more than about 20 surahs.
Go to the museum.
Would you like to see?
Go to the museum of Birmingham. You're gonna find. Listen. You listen now. Go to the museum in Birmingham. There is original copy closest to the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which contains 114. No, you can't say.
One second. So, my dear Abdul Rahman has advanced the conversation. What does he recommend that I do? He recommends that I go to Birmingham. I'm assuming he's talking about what is called Birmingham manuscript. And he says to find the evidence for 114 surahs, go to Birmingham. And let us say, thankfully, because we have the internet today, I don't even have to go to Birmingham. I can actually access the information that he wants me to access from my home, which I have done. There is an Islamic scholar called Abda Fedeli who has researched this. She has done a PhD thesis. Excuse me, sir. Abdul Rahman, question to you. Do you know how many surahs are there in the Birmingham manuscript? Please listen.
When I ask you, after you ask me, you answer
Sure,
me.
one second. But please listen. You said for 114 surahs, I need to go to Birmingham manuscript. I go to Birmingham manuscript, I don't find 114 surahs. Do you know how many surahs are there in that manuscript?
Yes, 114. Yes.
In Birmingham manuscript, 104. Would you like to look at the manuscript, sir?
He doesn't want you to speak. You don't listen. You don't listen anything. A question drag another question and drag another question, and that's how it goes. Yeah. So we cannot ask any question. We have to answer this question.
That's the idea of a question.
No.
When you ask a question, the idea is, I'm assuming this gentleman knows something about Islam. I'm assuming he is going to give an answer. Please let me repeat the question I asked first. Give me evidence for why the early Quran has 114 surahs. Now clearly he doesn't need a walking stick. I don't know why he carries a walking stick. Maybe it is to assault others like he has done in the past. I don't know why he does this. But clearly he can't even dance without a walking stick. So I'm assuming if he does anything funny with his walking stick plays, it might be with a malicious intent. So question to you, does the Birmingham manuscript attest to a 114 chapter Quran? Simple.
Can I speak now? Can I speak now? Let him speak. When you claim something to challenge, bring us a different copy than the one you're handling now, which contains maybe 106 surahs. Bring me something. Bring me something. I don't count on your phone. Give me something in hand. You came to bring a challenge. Show it. You are requested to prove what you have.
All right, my dear friends, Abdul Rahman
No.
is intellectually challenged.
I'm gonna bring it now.
One second.
Come on. The
One
one
second.
who says you have different copy of the
All
Quran,
right, Abdul Rahman.
let him present it. He is
Looking
required.
for a way to run away. Abdul Rahman asked me to show him. If anyone can see better than Abdul Rahman, I don't know how much good his eyesight is. Please look at this, my dear friends. Birmingham manuscript. For anyone who wants to see, especially young people, look at this. Birmingham manuscript. So Birmingham manuscript, please see. Birmingham manuscript. Let me read 1 second.
What's the corner?
What are the contents of Birmingham manuscript?
Okay.
Parts of Surah 19 and Surah 20.
Okay.
Not even two complete surahs,
I saw it by
but
video.
only.
I saw it by video. I swear by God. The whole
I know.
Quran.
You can
Okay,
swear.
at
You
the
can
time
swear
of
by.
the Prophet. He's going to serve. He's
Yeah.
going to serve. He's going to
Thank
serve.
you. Don't touch him. Don't touch me. Thank you. You're a young man. Can you read that? How many can read the text here? Don't. You're coming to no. Please. No. Please. Last time you showed up at Speaker's Corner, you ended up assaulting someone and running away. So if you can please stay there, I'm wary of you dancing in front of me, especially with the walking stick. Look at this gentleman. The last time he showed up here, JC, including you here, he ended up assaulting you, using his walking stick as an excuse.
going like
While he
this.
really can dance
Remember
without
that?
the walking stick. So now, for anyone who can read this, please read. For anyone with a pair of eyes or even one eye, you can read that. What does that say? What is the title?
Ikra.
Birmingham Quran manuscript. Can you see that? Lovely. So this gentleman is now beginning to learn for the first time in his life. Now let me read. My dear friend, can you see this? Content, C-O-N-T-N-T-S. No, he is confused. I don't know what's wrong with him. Content. What does the Birmingham manuscript have? Contents, you sir, can you read that?
Okay, what's the reason? What's the reason they show us?
No, please read that.
What's the reason?
What are the contents? Can you read?
No, can I speak?
No, you said if there is evidence for anything other than 14, please. Don't touch.
Now, talking about manuscripts,
Yeah.
this is another thought. It can't be here. We have nothing here. And we came.
No, I have something here. It's here.
Can I speak?
Sure.
Please let me make my point, please. Give me a break.
Please get on.
Thank you. Thank you. You know, if you speak calmly, okay, so
Please, let's begin doing that. I've been doing that from your side. That hasn't been happening. So if you please get to the point right now.
my point is we talk about the basics of the belief compared between Christianity and Islam.
There we go. So you're not going to talk about the manuscripts and
Because
114
we don't have
surahs?
something available between hands.
Okay, look at this gentleman. I told all of you he's confused. He is saying we don't have anything. Now I'll show you. Does anyone believe in a mobile phone? Anyone? Any Muslim sir?
I believe in Samsung. I don't like iPhone.
He doesn't like iPhone. Here, I have a mobile phone in my hand. He says we have nothing. I'd like to tell him we have something here. It's called a mobile phone.
Okay.
Really?
And in my mobile phone, I have 5G internet connection. So I can pull up documents which he can peruse today. So look at that. You mentioned Birmingham. I have 1 second. Look at him, Abdul Rahman, run away. My dear friend, how many of you heard that our friend Abdul Rahman here said, look at Birmingham manuscript for 114 surahs. 1, 2, 3. At least if you heard this. And so let me ask you, sir.
Jesus had Is Jesus God?
Answer, yeah.
Is Jesus God?
Yes or no?
How old is he?
He doesn't remember how old he is.
Allow him.
Are you a learned